bizimbe bya bibiri bya Eishomero ya Albert Secondary School bikaija byatwara itendekero ry'abashaho ya Hoima School of Nursing and Midwifery kuyambaho Gavumenti hamwe n'obuhwezi kurwa muri KCB Bank wa billioni 2 hamwe na miliyoni 800 za sente za Uganda.
Moment I was almost also injured when I came to this institution and the students were rioting, and they told me, go back with your principal. And because of all that was limited resources that were in this institution, especially accommodation facilities. So acquiring this annex facility brings light, joy and hope for our institution.
Atakwigwire hw'Eishomero mu Butongore, Minister Mateya Kasaija yabanza yarambura itendekereri na bwanyuma yabyaro muti. Dr. Henry Wamani umukuru w'akatsiko akabenkebe mbere itendekereri yashobora kwitendekereri ibintu bikoromba bizimbe bya Rural Development Center as ya Ministry ya Agenda.
Site we have been operating in was a Rural Development Center and it is owned by a Ministry of Gender. Effort is underway so that we can have the intergovernment exchange, Ministry of Gender exchanging that site to Ministry of Education, and we want your support in that effort.
Mark Karanzi umukuru w'itendekereri yashobora kwitendekero rinoboremezi bwinzi buruma abakozi bake kubura sente imotoka zikuzire dayitotereho na karmagezi zitarukumara kurigirira habeja bari mu itendekereri.
We have always had a challenge of low capitation. Our capitation grant has never matched the population we have. It's our prayer that we could also match the level of other institutions before we even request for a level that would sustain fully our government-sponsored students.
Badru Mugabe or RDC wa district ya Hoima yagira ngo kurinda amagara gabezi abari mu itendekereri wahati cyasa kworoba mnonga.
The students of this school has now become easy. Before the acquisition of this annex, we had the students littered in all the rentals just near and beyond, and it was a security threat not only for this nation but for even their neighbors.
Minister Mateya Kasaija yahamya abantu betange cha Hoima Gavumenti erikuza kumane hweri itendekereri ya Hoima School of Nursing and Midwifery omukirkwetenge satuna abo kugira ngo niri itendekero ry'amagara byonka iriyo mutange cha Albert.
No defaulty mumpulire kashete tukarole the way as we agreed. Don't, because the next time when you go, if you start defaulting, they will not look at us with happy eyes.
Umuringo ngokume Minister Kasaija yahamya ku Ministry y'Ebyesente mu ihanga erikuza kwatanisa na Ministry y'Ebyobwegeso mu ihanga ukwera Eishomero okutira munonga omukuryongera ha sente zirikurwa mu government dayitotereho no kuryongera abakozi.
Are extremely essential for the human race. I think I already said that. So you should walk with your heads up, because what you are doing is very fundamental. Your health begins from inception of the child up to the time when that child, if he has grown old enough, until even when he dies, when he is 100 years, you are there to make sure that he is even buried very peacefully.
Hoima School of Nursing and Midwifery rikatanduka kwa mukaga mwaka gwe 2011 kandi ndiye tendekero ry'amagara iri government ryonka iri mutange cha Bunyoro makuraga gasha kwa gada saba our Sky TV agenshonga
abikiriza ahamwe